Alright guys, it's us again in the kitchen with another minute with Min and Meg. Today we have so much leftovers from the holidays, and it would be such a shame to throw them out. And so what we've decided to, we're gonna recycle cook our leftovers. We have a beautiful piece of steak here, a huge piece, but we're just going to use a little portion of that steak, which is going to be this. We're going to use that with some veggie to make up a very interesting dish. We want you guys to come along to see what we're doing and how we're going to reproduce a dish from these leftovers. Today we're using the steak. Another time we're going to use something else. I think we've used the seafood, so we're going to use the steak, we're going to use the chicken, we're going to use the fish, we're going to use all of our leftovers to produce a dish. Today we have some veggies that we have already cut, so we're going to use some of that. We have Brussels sprout, spinach, carrot, we have over here we have peppers, avocado, cucumbers, red peppers, green peppers under here, sweet peas, green onion, tomatoes. So we have a whole bunch of things. I'm going to go ahead and cook up a mukbang, veggie mukbang, okay? Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and cut up our steak, which is already cooked, but we're just going to reuse it. So this dish should only take 6 minutes or less. I'm going to cut the steak into small strips. Okay guys, so now we have our strip of steaks. Let's go ahead and chop some vegetables. Okay guys, so with our pot on medium heat, we're going to go ahead and drizzle in some olive oil. You want to put in some butter as usual. Okay guys, so without wanting to burn the butter, we're going to put in our hardest dish, veggie. That's going to be the okra. And then put in our onion. We're going to put in our Brussels sprout. After about 3 minutes on the stove, because we cut the okra in small portions, pieces, we're going to put in our celery. We're going to put in a few pieces of broccoli. We want to massage in our green, our purple. It's so beautiful. We're gonna put in our bok choy, and we're gonna put the harder part first, like here. Then we're going to keep the leaves, and we're going to put in our sweet peas. Now we're going to go ahead and put in our tomatoes. That in place, we're going to put in our red peppers. We're going to go ahead and put in our rest of bok choy. These are the leaves. Our steak. We're going to put some avocado. Now that the heat is off, and we're going to stir that in also. Okay guys, so my camera stopped. I wasn't aware. We went ahead, I don't even know from where it stopped. We put in some English cucumbers. We put in some tomatoes. We put in the steak and the purple onion. So we have all the veggies in. We put some avocado in, and we lower our heat, and that's done. So we're going to go to the counter now. Okay guys, so now we're at the counter. Now we're at the counter and we're ready to present this, okay? This smells so rich, smells so good. Okay guys, I want you guys just to see this beautiful, beautiful dish from our leftovers, and it is just amazing. It tastes so good. I'm going to give you a close-up shot of this. It is so good, so very tasty, so very good, really tasty. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? And it's all from our leftovers. Very pretty. That's all you really need to do with your leftovers. No need to throw them away. No need to throw it out. It is beautiful. It can, oh, I have to take a bite. This is so good. Yes guys, that's our dish. That is our dish right here from our leftovers. So there's no need to throw out your leftovers. If you are creative, you can go right ahead and prepare these dishes, and they come out as beautiful as you want them to be, and not only beautiful but very tasty. We're just going to go ahead and sprinkle on some nuts on. So we're just going to put on some mixed nuts onto this dish here. I'm just going to put some Parmesan cheese on to complete this. So we just went ahead and put on some Parmesan cheese onto this dish, and now we're ready to eat. It is so beautiful, so tasty. I know this is going to be a great dish. I want you guys to go out there and try this dish, and I wanted to come back here and just share how yours came out. If it comes out this beautiful or even more beautiful, we want to know. We want to know all that you have tried, all of our dishes that you've tried in your kitchen. So from our home to your home, on behalf of men and myself, healthy, happy eating. From our home to your home. Until we see you again, ciao la bella. Ciao la bella. See you soon. Ta-ta. From our home to your home. As usual, Min and Meg would like to say thank you for stopping by, and on your way out, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, And we're waiting to hear from you that you've tried this dish and it comes out beautifully. You can see all the leftover steaks here. You can see everything, the tomatoes, the veggies, the nuts, the avocado, everything is just so beautiful. And we take this time to prepare this because we want you guys to go out there and try our dishes. We enjoy making these dishes, and we know that you enjoy viewing our dishes, and we want you to go out there and try this. So until we see you again, we just want to say thank you. From our home to your home, healthy, happy eating. Life is beautiful. Life is what you make it to be. Make it a beautiful life. Live happy, live free, live healthy. Until we see you again, ta-ta.